Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create quiz content in Canva. So you're just going to select templates here, and you're just going to type in the word quiz. And you're just going to browse around and kind of like want to select whichever one you want. This one's like a video one, which I'm just going to press customize this template, and you can edit the text in here. No thanks. So for instance, you have like a business and you want to like quiz them. Maybe like what is our best selling product? For instance, like A, lip gloss. And then for this one, like the lip liner or the lip jelly. They have that already. You can also delete that, and you can also select these and I think change the colors of them if you don't like the color. For instance, you want it to be pink, you can absolutely do that. So yeah, that is pretty much how you can make quiz content on Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!